Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Saturday morning. I just wanted to come on here and try something completely new. So I wanted to do something kind of like a video vlog. And so throughout the day, I'm going to kind of show you what I've been up to, what I'm doing. So I'm trying to finish decorating the living room for the fall. So I'll just show you projects that I'm doing. And I have like a few DIYs that I want to complete also. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. So as you can see here, for breakfast, I'm having a pumpkin spice latte, homemade pumpkin spice latte, and a croissant. Talk to you later. So I purchased this bird statue from Michael's. And I mean, I liked how the bird looked like, but I just didn't like the color. So I'm going to change the color. So it was originally, sorry about that, $24.99, and it was half off. So I paid like $12.50 for it. And it's a good size. And I just needed something to put on my console table. So I'm going to do a little DIY and change this bird. So this is how it looks like. So the first step is that I went ahead and I painted the bird, this black acrylic paint, as you can see here. You see some of the paint I'm using. That's the first step. The next step is I am going to spray paint it with a gold color. And it's going to look like something that's like aged. It's going to look really nice. So stay tuned. So I went thrifting last week. I was just looking for some items, some Christmas decor of any sorts. And I found a couple things. So the first thing that I found were these plates, these dessert plates. And as you can see here, it has a Christmas theme going on. And I bought 4 of them, and I forgot how much they were. Let's take a look. I think they were like $3. $3 for a set of 4. So obviously 4 will not be enough. So I found another set of plates that would kind of coordinate with those set of plates. And this is, I paid $3.99 for. So like I was saying, I got a set of plates that coordinate with the other ones. So you can kind of see they're like the same colors. So I can use them to match with the other set of plates. And these are fine china. Trying to focus on here. So it's fine bone china, and it's from this brand called Staffordshire, made in England. So this is like really good. This is really good china. And I got a set of 4 of them. Next, I got this Christmas tree cutting board. I thought it was cute. I could, decorate my kitchen with it for Christmas. And it was $3. I also found these, like I was saying, I did find these gold Christmas ornaments. I'm not sure if they sound like they're glass. I'm not sure if they're plastic or glass. But I think there's about 6 ornaments for $4. Yeah, they're glass ornaments. And I'm revving up for Christmas. I don't know. If you don't know, I'm obsessed with Christmas. So right now I'm starting to prepare for Christmas. I've decided on the color scheme. I've decided what I'm going to do, how I'm going to decorate my home. So this is just perfect. So the next item here is this large, really huge basket. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I paid $4.99 for it. The last item I'm going to show you is this canister. that I got. And as you can see, it's like this white ceramic container in a wooden, and I use this to store my coffee. I just needed something to store my coffee, and I think I paid, I think it was, I paid $3 for it. As you can see here. It's a better view. So that concludes my thrift haul. I do plan on going to the thrift haul to find more items, but I hope you enjoy it. And I will continue with my video log for today. Stay tuned. So let's talk about Christmas. As I mentioned, I am obsessed with Christmas, and I actually like to start planning for Christmas right now, the month of October. So I just wanted to come here and show you my color scheme and the theme that I'm going for this year. So I think towards the end, the end of December or January, I went to Michael's and I purchased a whole bunch of these large bells, these golden bells. And I had this plan on actually placing these large bells in my Christmas tree. So I just wanted to kind of show you what direction I'm heading to. So for the color scheme, I found this, I don't know, teal colored, bluish colored. So this is a color that I'm doing this year for Christmas. I have this beautiful teal blue color. I have this forest green, this navy blue, and for accent color, like this burgundy color. I am gonna have some gold ornaments, some mercury glass ornaments, and then I'll probably put in some berries, sprinkle some berries in there. But that's the theme that I'm doing this year with the bells. So I'm gonna have like different size bells. This bell is the large size bell. You can see here it's pretty big. So remember the DIY that I was working on earlier? I had painted this bird a black color. So I went ahead and I spray painted it a gold color. So it looks like a metal, and that's the look I was trying to go for. And it's just not all gold. So you can kind of see the black seeping through it.